This experience is amazing. It's more than I ever thought that it could even be.
I couldn't get the smile off my face because I just wanted to never stop.
My experience in Costa Rica has been phenomenal. It's beyond what words and photographs can describe.
Pura vida, Costa Rica!
As educators, we try and generate excitement in the classroom. When you come to Costa Rica, it makes our job so easy.
Everything that's surrounding you and the culture, it's unreal.
As a tour manager, what really counts is that I'm helping to share my country and a little bit of my knowledge, and some of them will never forget this experience. It's amazing to have the opportunity of being part of these life-changing experiences with new people you meet throughout the year.
It's the quickest encouragement, the quickest leap into the language I've ever seen is when we come down here. Kids that were super shy and super afraid are now standing on a balcony screaming hola and pura vida. We see that engagement happening in 4 days. It takes us 90 days in a classroom environment to generate that kind of excitement.
I feel like my English and my Spanish were kind of equal when I first landed in San Jose, but now my English is kind of going down and my Spanish is going up. Like, I'm swimming in Spanish right now.
Uno, dos, tres.
Oh, okay, okay.
This was a good way to kind of bring them out of that shell too and really see, hey, the world is bigger than where you are. That Spanish is not just a class, it's a living, breathing language, culture. You know, they're making connections. They're hitting all the standards that we're trying to get them to hit in class. So.
It's been amazing, really, seeing how different it is in some aspects and the similarities in others. You realize the world is such a bigger place than you really thought, and that everything can be different, but really everyone is so the same at the same time.
There's wildlife everywhere. You feel so much closer to the earth.
I've never seen monkeys that close to me in my whole life, and seeing them jump branch to branch interacting with each other was really cool.
My absolute favorite part was the zip lining. Being over the clouds, you just feel like you're flying through the air and there's nothing stopping you.
We must have been 1,000 feet above the ground. We left the canopy of trees and we were above everything. This trip has implanted in me a drive to seek out more adventure here. It's not my last time in Costa Rica. I'm gonna be back.